To add PayPal to Google Pay without a credit card, you will need to have a few things ready. First, ensure you have a Google Pay account and the Google Pay app installed on your device. You also need to have a PayPal account, as this is the payment method you want to link to Google Pay. Start by opening the Google Pay app on your device. Tap on the profile picture or the initial at the top right corner. Then select Payment Methods. This will show you a list of all the payment methods you have currently linked to Google Pay. To add a new payment method, tap on the Add Payment Method button. You will see a list of available payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and other options like PayPal. Select PayPal from the list of available payment methods. You will be redirected to the PayPal website, where you will be asked to log in to your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal email address and password to log in. Once you are logged in, you will be asked to authorize Google Pay to access your PayPal account. This is necessary for Google Pay to be able to make payments using your PayPal balance. Review the terms and conditions. Then tap on the Agree and Continue button to authorize Google Pay to access your PayPal account. You will be redirected back to the Google Pay app, where you will see that PayPal has been added as a new payment method. To set PayPal as your default payment method, go back to the Payment Methods section and tap on the three dots next to PayPal. Select Set as Default to make PayPal your default payment method. This means that whenever you make a payment using Google Pay, it will use your PayPal balance instead of any other payment method. It is worth noting that you need to have a verified PayPal account to be able to link it to Google Pay. If your PayPal account is not verified, you will not be able to link it to Google Pay. Additionally, ensure that your PayPal account has sufficient balance to make payments. By following these steps, you can easily add PayPal to Google Pay without a credit card. This provides you with a convenient and secure way to make payments using your PayPal balance.